Good morning, guys. Just got through cleaning up the pigeons. My wife did an awesome job. We considered it a Friday since it was the 4th. And I just got through cleaning them up, and now I'm giving them a bath. Boy, they're loving life now. It was so filthy, poor little kids. Look at everybody. I'm going to show you what my wife did, though. My goodness. She's the clean master. Lord Golden. Everybody getting happy. Fixing to feed them. There's a compost pile there. Then we opened up the back. I'm tired, that's why I sound like that. Look at here what she did. Gave them all this extra room. Look at all that extra room. My goodness. Pretty nice. She did a good job. This was the other one. And she went through here and cleaned all this. Very nice. Right there, I made this so I can close it. So we can isolate them outside. Look at them all. Look at them. Oh yeah, bath time. Woohoo! Look at the babies. Now they're bitching at me because they're hungry. And look at you. What are you doing sitting on an egg? You should be out there getting wet. Love ya. Bye.